It's funny the things we miss. The things we might not think to take a picture of. Pethau bach fel gweld rhywun yn llwyddo cario 6 peint o gefn crowd i'r blaen. Sharing a pen between 4 people to scribble on your schedule. Neu tria'ch gorau i ffito'r rhaglen mewn eich poced cefn. Noticing early on that everyone's weather forecast is different. Passing a member of a band that you watched earlier in the day carrying their gear back to their van and plucking up the courage to shout, "Great set," as you pass. Gwennu nôl ar ddieithrin sy'n newydd chwifio at chi, a wedyn troi'n goch pan chi'n sylweddoli mae at y person tu ôl oedd yn chwifio at. Losing all your mates because you couldn't convince them that the walk to the furthest venue in the city was worth it. Being smug that it was totally worth it. Standing in the pouring rain for half an hour after bumping into a friend you haven't seen since this time last year. Catching up is important. Pasio aelod o fand enfawr sydd ddim ar y line-up ar y stryd gan dybio ar unwaith mae nhw i'r gwestai cyfrinachol. Leaving a windowless venue at 2 p.m, drenched in beer and sweat, to be blinded by the autumn sun, half expecting it to be dark. Wondering why daytime gigs don't happen every week. Gwneud ffrindiau newydd gyda'r gwirfoddolwyr. Eating your lunch at 5:30 p.m. Listing all the years you've been and missed. Reminiscing about seeing that huge band play to an empty room before they were big. Overhearing a rumour that if you keep your wristband on for 12 months, you get free entry to the festival next year. Hitting 20,000 steps by 6 p.m. Rhedeg lan y grisiau ddal gweddill set y band oedd yn werth bob eiliad o'r cew hanner awr. Plucking up the courage to stand on a chair or table to get a better view of the artist. Bumping into that friend again, this time in the mosh pit, and only exchange loud "heys" and cackles before being caught in the tornado again. Narrowly avoiding a Doc Martin boot to the head during the second to last song. Witnessing your friend crowd surf for the very first time, and the second time, and the third time. Wisely deciding to go home after this set, to be home by midnight, to keep what's left of your energy for tomorrow, only to be convinced to stay for one more set, which always means being home by 3 or 4 a.m. Chwilio am fwyd. Gadael gyda pobl holl o wahanol I pwy oedd gyda chi'n cerdded mewn. Noticing your ears ringing as soon as your head hits the pillow, and looking forward to doing it all again tomorrow.